I'm a Muslim, you remember at that time, so I had the understanding of only living one life. I did not have the answer. I felt God was unfair. So I was lost. I was really lost. And then my quest began about 3 years ago when I started just meditating. And I tell people, just you want to know the truth? Start meditation. You go inwards. Your soul will talk to you. Your soul will tell you what is the truth. And this freedom only Sanatan Dharma allows, where you are asked to search your own path, follow your own individual path, and your connect with God is personal. No judgment whatsoever. So in the same family, one person can worship Lord Shiv, one person can worship Lord Krishna, and another one can worship Lord Ram or Hanumanji or anyone or Ganesha, and everybody will respect. Nobody says, oh, you do this wrong. No, there is no fight. And then another one can be a complete atheist, and another one can worship Nirgun, formless, which is what Islam says, that you should worship a formless God. So you see the beauty of Sanatan Dharma, it embraces everyone, and so this way the whole world comes under the umbrella of Sanatan Dharma. Put an end to all the world's problems and chaos. It is Sanatan Dharma, because it is a philosophy of non-judgment.